Let's start by switching to our YouTube tab. I'll click the three-dot menu for this MrBeast video. Let's select the share option. Great. Now we need to copy the video URL to use in our AI tool. Let's copy this video URL. Great. Now that we have our reference video URL copied, let's head over to our AI tool to generate some thumbnail replicas. Let's go back to our AI tool. Let's paste that YouTube URL into the source video field. Great. Now we're ready to start the generation process. Let's generate the variations. The AI tool is now fetching the thumbnail image from the YouTube video and preparing to create variations for us. Great. The original reference thumbnail has been successfully loaded. The AI is analyzing the structure and details of the thumbnail, scanning every pixel to understand the composition. And now it's designing 3 unique variations based on the original thumbnail style and layout. Once the variations are ready, we'll be able to view and select our favorite ones to edit. The AI has generated 3 different variations for us: an exact replica, a high CTR version, and a minimalist version. Let's see how we can edit one of these thumbnails to make it even better. Let's select this exact replica thumbnail to edit it. We can make some custom modifications to this thumbnail. I'll type my edit command, change beast to Trump. Let's generate the edit. Let's see how our edited thumbnail turned out. The AI is now processing our edit request and generating the changes. The thumbnail has been updated with Donald Trump's face replacing Mr. Beast's. Let's close the editor to finish up our thumbnail creation process. Let's click the edit button on this thumbnail. Let's close the editor. And that's how you can easily recreate any viral thumbnail using AI. You now have the complete workflow from sourcing reference thumbnails to generating and editing your own variations. Happy creating!